I was in it's my last semester of college, and I was like, I need a job just to get some money in my pocket. And I had a friend who was working at the Starbucks downstairs. So I started there, and then I just fell in love with the atmosphere, meeting new people. The business is always booming, people coming in and out. So I ended up moving to the engineering and maintenance department. I did that for about 2 years, and they had an assistant manager at the housekeeping department open. And now I got promoted to operations manager. Whatever you like to do, there's a position in the hospitality industry to do it. Food and beverage, we have bartenders, banquets, weddings, front desk, housekeeping, sales and marketing, accounting, engineering and maintenance. So it's one of those things, if you wake up one morning and you say, I'm kind of tired of doing this, there's always another position within the company you can quickly switch over to. If you came here like I did, low level, the very bottom of the totem pole, I had that drive that I really wanted to do more and really wanted to succeed, and other people saw that, and they gave me chances to grow and make the money that I wanted to make. When I came here, it was like, all right, this is your job, but then there's always room for growth. So it was easy to get in the door and easy to grow with the opportunities that they presented you. I never turned any opportunity down, whether it was extra work or coming in for extra hours to learn stuff or to help out. I always took that as more opportunity to learn and add more tools to the tool belt. So I think that was the big reason why I moved up so fast, is because I had so many notches on my belt from doing so many different things. I didn't even know hospitality was an industry, to be honest with you. When I was going to college, this never even crossed my mind as being an industry. And I just so happened stumbled upon it, and now I'm making a pretty good life for myself and for my family.